Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Electrolux washers, the dreaded error code E13. If you've got a 2025 model or similar, this code might pop up on your screen, leaving you wondering what's wrong and how to fix it. Don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your washer up and running in no time. First off, what does error code E13 mean? In Electrolux washers, E13 typically indicates a problem with the water inlet. This could be due to issues like a faulty inlet valve, a kinked hose, or even low water pressure in your home. It's the machine's way of saying, hey, I can't get the water I need to start the cycle. Let's talk about troubleshooting. Start by checking the basics. Ensure that your water supply is turned on and that the inlet hoses aren't twisted or blocked. Sometimes, a simple kink in the hose can cause this error. Next, inspect the filters on the inlet valves. They might be clogged with debris. You can usually find these at the back of the machine. Just turn off the water, disconnect the hose, and clean them out with a brush or cloth. If that doesn't solve it, you might need to check the water pressure. Run a faucet near your washer and see if the flow is strong. Low pressure could mean a problem with your home's plumbing. Also, reset your washer by unplugging it for a few minutes or using the reset button if your model has one. This often clears temporary glitches. Now, if you've tried these steps and the error persists, it could be a more serious issue like a defective inlet valve or a sensor problem. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Remember, always prioritize safety. Work with the power off and water supply disconnected. To prevent E13 in the future, make sure to regularly maintain your washer. Clean the filters every few months and check your hoses for wear and tear. That's it for today's quick guide. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy with your home appliances.